warning, adult content ahead. So what go on when that morning, evening, noon, night, and response on they become the stuff. That time of day something there, that video something there. So dancer STACY XPRESSIONZ took to her Instagram and released a statement on behalf of the dance she and Shelly Expression created years ago called Truck Through that caused the life of the dancer Bumpa in the latest news and few videos that are circulating. And this is what STACY XPRESSIONZ took to her Instagram to express. She wrote, name of the stunt, Truck Through. Creators at Shelly Expressions and myself, we created this stunt years ago to a song titled Early Morning by Mad Dog. At the time, I was the only one who could balance steadily on my head, so Shelly decided she should dive through my legs to add that wow factor. As I said, who know expressions over the years know that this is a signature move from me and Shelly, including a few more stunts. And she have in caps, note to female dancers. Please learn the correct technique for any dance move or stunt before attempting. The result of the failed stunt may not be favorable. Life is too precious. Hashtag rest in peace, Bumpa. So this is what she's saying about the dance. If you're going to try any stunt, please practice